Hadian ke jing mi jong ke jing kam trai ka be dai wat ke jing yo biang ban penan kam yo dawai sboh ni urea State President ke Bharatiya Janata Party uba Ernest Mauri ulang ban namar ba ke election kerajaan borok kelai kam trai lut habe kran ba uba Ernest Mauri ulai thu baya ketika sin jam tasim daw menteri rang badu kari India Narendra Modi badai hau penai nai weng jong snam arjar puar hapo ke jing lang ka kunhun menteri kilarai ban ai subsidy biang yo dawai sboh na ka benta ki nong rap
fast the cabinet decision under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Again, we are going to start the subsidy in the fertilizer. Already last November, the government has called all the factory who produce the fertilizer that we are going again to start the subsidy on fertilizer. This will benefit to our farmer. And we have support the farmer through the PM Kisan Nidhi scheme, which if you go through a data, almost 50,000 farmers, they already avail this benefit through our government. No, yeah, organic farming is there. They have identified like Sikkim, but in Meghalaya they have not identified as the organic farming state. So since the demand from the farmer, not only from our state, even from the whole part of our country, so that's why the Honorable Prime Minister has taken initiative by calling the cabinet and passed a resolution that they will again implement the subsidy on the fertilizer. Because of election, they are taking just a credit, but go through, I think you will see already the cabinet meeting from the union government, they have passed a resolution, they have already even called the fertilizer producer company that now we are going to provide again the subsidy to the farmer in the whole country, including North East State, including Meghalaya.